now we move to the business transactions. We have ledgers. Simply put, a ledger is just a book. Hello? A ledger is just what? A book. Books, and so on. So a ledger is just a book. And it says that it is a book which contains a condensed and classified record of the transactions of the business generally brought, transferred, or posted from the books of original entry. So from the original entry, like the sales journal, they will post the items in the sales journal into what? The ledgers. Into the ledgers. And we have two major ledgers. Yes, who can tell us? The ledgers are divided into two. Yes. Yeah, two. Yes, thank you. Almost there. Almost there. We have the subsidiary ledgers and also the general ledger. Under the subsidiary ledgers, we have the sales ledger and also the benefits ledger. Sales ledger is senior sales ledger, what do you mean? Yes. A ledger is senior. Sales journal, okay. Which records all transactions that we put on the sales journal. Yes. Sales ledger. What is sales ledger? What do you mean? So that sales ledger is just a book. It's just a book that contains the accounts of credit cards. This yes. Yeah. Yeah. I can see that every place is one. So this ledger on the other side, on the flip side, is also a book. It's credit supply on credit on from that contains all these people. And that book is normally or usually called the purchases ledger. Hello. So very that simply is that and bring the book that contains a ton of somebody those and on training. How do you think the difference between the two? And that one we call subsidiary one ledgers. When you have general ledger, the general ledger contains the nominal account and real account. Nominal account and real accounts. Yes. Nominal account. Yes. Say it. Say something. Yes.
And just get tangible.
Tangible. Tangible. Tangible. Come again. Like this. You are right. Like them will have maybe this. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. You can't be the example. Yes. Okay. Thank you. You too. You are qualified. So all the things that exist in name, but don't exist in nature. You must release. Let the example of a nominal account.
If it's an account of interest,
Yes. Just like that, and also want to purchase like that. Then okay. You can't teach them. But real account also falls under personal account. And you tell like just summarizing everything is stats. How do you agree? Just take for that. And then please. So, nominal account, real account. Yeah. Another example of yes, sir. So, yes, nominal account. Yes, account. We are saying that looking at the business process of accounting from the journal, post the items in the journal to the ledgers, and I've summarized what the ledgers are. So we are going to make a question and then get the understanding better. We just want to play with the business. We are not saying that it is not how to be a record. And just that that is free with them. I'm very that is paying you for the matter. Yes, sir. Very well. It's after the sales ledger and the purchases ledger. And this is regarded as what the debtors, yes, the same debtors ledger, the same, or what some people call accounts receivable. How do you do? Debtors ledger, accounts. How do you do? Good.
I don't want a invisible pregnancy. That's 1 year. No. That's the one. And next time I'll send master so that read it. This one, that's my fault. Master reminds me, that's how I'm going to bring that to the one city. All right. The master next time please remind me that. The sharing is getting to share. All right. Yes, those who are having yeah. No, what I was going to say, so sharing is very sorry. Okay. So let's talk about first ledger, business ledger, and general one ledger. Now from the ledgers, we move what? From the ledgers. No, please take it to the other side. You give to those so the summary of all that we've been talking about, there are some documents. Let the original document. Reference. So there's some documents. Original information is the found. Hello. The original information is supposed to be found. Sales and purchases for invoices. And this business process of accounting is so dear to my heart. You need to know it. Well, so we are saying that we should document to some original entry. You can see, hello, you can see from some document books of original entry. Now to what the main issue, which is what the double entry, the ledgers. So when it comes to the ledger accounting, the ledger will be talking about common entry principle. Credit the receiver, credit one. And that's what we have today. And today we are with the ledgers. Then after that, we'll come to the trial balance. Checking the arithmetic accuracy of the double entry account or double entry. After that, then we can prepare the trial or the measure speed. What we are saying is that all we are saying, ladies and gentlemen, hello. So these are the kinds of measures that we talk about. Hello. So they are all in the slides, okay? What an account is also the credit sales and the sales people. We go to this 2000. Look, yes, sir. How many? You don't have this time. Alright, okay. So after those credit sales, the sales table goes to the sales ledger and also what? The general ledger. There's one that goes to the sales ledger. That's there. Those that buy from us on credit. Okay? So we post the account to the sales ledger, and then in the general ledger, we open the sales account, and then we credit sales. Hello? This is what we are going to do right now. So please pay attention to it. We are done. Thank you. Yes, yeah. Credit is what? The two issues here. If you are posting the credit one, if you are posting credit sales, and a transaction relating to credit sales. People and so has bought goods from us on credit. What do we do? Two issues here. We have a customer's account and also the sales account. We debit the customer and credit our what? Our sales account. This is basic. Hello. What about posting to posting of credit purchases? How do you go about that one? Yes. How do you go about it? Posting credit purchases. What accounts here? We have the purchases account and also what? The supplies for the creditors account. In this case, what do we debit and what do we credit? We debit what? We debit purchases and credit what? Because here Syria is having a this receiving. Okay, Elisa, thank you, Janet. So just get the basic principle. That is the receiver, that is what? That's the good. Yeah. Yes, the returns. This is the nature of the returns. We are posting the returns. What do we do in this case? Yes. Everything is here. So if you feel, you see, all the information that everybody here now. If you feel that one is not given my permission, you have to say, yes. Yes. Very sad. That is it. Don't feel.
Thank you.
Maybe there are things, some scripts will be begging you. And still me. You're money. The script is begging you that. You come say, tell me, don't worry. So please, these are the issues. And then for the purpose of the exams, we need to know how they are. Question number one. Question number one. Also here. You are the account for crime lady. Please, I'm going to do everything. You will generally was you know what yes. Because when you do that, you understand. They are not creating out. They are this. So it's you know that not meaning that they are not creating. With this. They don't have any other country and use their debt. Look up to the other. They are the bank has debited with this. There is a what do we mean? This is more than you are the battery.
If you just hold on, replace the battery.
You are the accountant for a small and growing based in Ghana. The business commenced operation on 12th May with an initial capital loan. Two of the questions of faith involving what? Involving what? And then what are they? It is as part of your responsibility. You have the appropriate financial records using what form? Now we are without again, you are supposed to balance on the knife at the end.
To do this. It's not difficult at all. It's easy. It's very easy. So, you say ledger accounts at the very basic level. It's in a T form. This is the debit. This is what the credit. Debit and credit. Good. Now, the transactions for the month of May as follows. Hey, The biggest of the bank. So ourselves involved here. That is number one. You need to identify the accounts involved in the transaction. Then you ask yourself, what then the senior on the 2nd of May, purchase goods on credit from the following what suppliers: Red, JC, Techi, Jan, and Chumesi. Then on the 4th, sold goods on credit. Credit. There are many states. Check. Receive check from Tete, and then May 12, the following suppliers buy check. Techi and Wedu carry what? Expenses in cash. Purchase goods on credit. That's May 18th. From Techi and Jan. The transaction, they are ledger. So we're going to open accounts for these. Where's the? Where's the notice? Class rep. Class rep. Where is that? Isn't it that? Class rep. You fear God. So this big class, nobody can get you. How much is that time? You are the best, Yeah. The account. Look at the transactions. Oh, okay. Thank you. You trying to restrict me? Yeah. Carry on. All right. Commence business with 800,000 in cash and 2.2 in the bank. What are the two major accounts involved in this transaction? Hello? What is the accounts involved here? Yes. Cash. Bank. Is that all? Cash, bank, and capital. But you have to be two major accounts so that we know what the debit and what the credit. We are having three accounts. So the third one is going to be the hybrid, or we are going to keep the two together and say one is the credit one, or I don't know if I get it. So here, the accounts, cash and bank will be one. Hello. And on the other side, we have what? Capital. Absolutely capital. So here, what do we debit and what do we credit? Hello. We are starting business with how much? 3,000 Ghana cedis. Right? Good. 800 in cash, 2.2 in what? At the bank. What do we credit and what do we debit? Yes, accountant. We are doing the accountant. Is it that capital will be credited and then cash and bank will be one? So for this, so we have our capital account, debit, credit, then we have what? Cash, account, also debit and credit. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. We want to have the zeros here in order to make life easy for ourselves. Are we okay? Master, can we move this thing so that we can have enough space? So, what do we debit? What do we credit? Which date is on the 1st of May? Cash. How much? How much? 800. Are we okay? Then we come to cash, where we have capital on the 1st of what? May. How much? 800. This is how accountants do it. Where do we find, or where can we find capital accounts? Is it in the general ledger or the sales ledger or purchases ledger? Where? General. So all these accounts will be in the general ledger. So if we take the book by name general ledger, you will find these accounts in that particular book. Hello, are we okay? The next will be our, okay, let's put bank here. Our bank account, cash account. So here too, we're going to have, this is 1st of May, 1st of May. Capital, how much? How much? 2.2 here, 1st of May. Bank, 2.2. You see that it's very easy. Easy. If you are not an accountant, please don't worry, just follow us. Understand that these accounts will be found in what? The general ledger. Now, May 2nd, purchase goods on credit from the following what? Suppliers. Good. So, what are the accounts involved here? Ladies and gentlemen, what are the accounts involved here? Account, thank you, accountants. Thank you, and the suppliers or the creditors what? Individual account. The purchases account. Where can we find the purchases account? Is it in the purchases ledger, general ledger? Hello. Purchases account. This purchases account. Purchases account. Can we find the purchases account? Is it purchases ledger? General. True or yes? Hello. The distinction very well. The purchases account will be found in the general ledger. Hello. Purchases accounts will be found in the general ledger. But the accounts of the suppliers and the creditors will be found in the purchases ledger. Because we are saying that the purchases ledger is a book that contains the account of all credit suppliers. The accounts of credit suppliers. Purchases account is not part of the purchases ledger. Hello. They are saying is that they contain the account of credit suppliers is the purchases ledger. The account of all our credit customers is the account of credit customers is what? Ledger. The ledgers. Hello. Yes, I'm sorry. Purchases account. Look together. Purchases account. If we open purchases account, this is our credit, and this is also our debit. The zeros are here with the Ghana cedis, with the Ghana cedis. So we ask ourselves, credit and what do we debit? Suppliers. And what do we debit? Yes. Yes, I understand. Debit purchases accounts in the name of the suppliers. And then the suppliers their account. And what do we in the name of what? Purchases. So you see that can be very easy. It's very easy. So here, the first is what? The date is on the 12th, sorry, on the 2nd of May. Where do how much is it? 610. Then Genfi 214. 30 is what? 174. Then Jan is what? 345. Then Chumesi is what? 542. This is the debit side. Are we okay? In the credit, to open the individual accounts of all these suppliers one by one. Are we okay? So if we the accounts reduce account on the 2nd of May, we credit the account in the name of purchases with how much? 610. Do you get it? Hello? We credit and here is debited. Are we okay? We do the same, so everybody do the rest so that we move on. The board is not big, so we can't open an account for all these. So you open an account for this, but then forget that from here, all this will be in what we call purchases ledger. Hello? The account of all credit suppliers will be in the purchases ledger. So now we have JV. So you open JV's account like this. This is not big, so JV's account on the 2nd of May. Purchases, how much is it? 214. So please do for the rest so that we can continue. If you are done, let me know. Yes, my dear. You are done. Thank you. Are you accountant? You are passed. Yes, do. No. The question is that you should prepare journal. Under normal circumstances, I don't want us to just the first thing is to do the journal, then from the journal, you post from the journal, but to waste our time. But the question is also saying that ledger accounts. Are you okay? I want to say that you should prepare the ledger account. So it's a good question he has asked. Are you okay? Yeah, the question is a question to the journal. Straight away, repeat the transaction. Right. Yeah. No, we are putting account there. Reduce account, fees account, Techi's account, and all that. Which one is are you adding? But you are adding English to accounting. All right. So, the major accounts involved in this transaction. Yes. Sales account, the customers or the client's account, debtors account. Are you okay? So the sales account, where can we find the sales account? Can we find the sales account? Where? General ledger. What about the debtors, the customers? sales ledger. So yeah, was hey, I don't want to hold this because hello, this thing I don't want to hold this. That's fine. I don't want to hold this tissue.
But not strong.
Why? Is it because of the bacteria? And it's qualified to do anything. Why? Anything in I think one of the sciences, it was disqualified to do MPhil in one of the sciences. So she went for the interview and they asked her a very simple question. Do you know the question? If you mention one anything that you know, and she says, should I mention it? The materials are everywhere. So next time, let's get duster, proper duster. Are you okay? So the sales account. Thank you. If you open sales account, then we also open what? The account of our credit customers. So this is our credit and this is our debit. Good. Now the sales account, we have what's the date? On the 4th of May. The first person is Sapon. How much is it? 340. The next person is what? Boidu. How much is it? 720. The next one is 30. How much is it? 1152. It ends there. We now come to the sales ledger, the book that contains the account of all our credit customers. So we open the account one by one. The first one is what? Sapon's account. Sapon's account. The debit or credit on the 4th of May. We say sales. How much? 340. Boidu's account on the 4th of May, we say sales. How much? 720. Tete's account on the 4th of May, we say sales. How much? 1152. Hello. Are we all together? Good. 6. Right? Rent in cash. We ask ourselves, the accounts, major accounts involved in these transactions. Yes. Rent in cash. So already we have cash account. In our cash account that we have capital giving us what? 800. Are you okay? The original cash account. So now that we are paying rent, credit cash or we debit cash? Do we credit or debit cash? Credit cash. So that is on the 6th, on the 6th of May. So we say rent. How much is it? 180 Ghana cedis. Then May 9th, receive check from James Sapon in full settlement of what? In full settlement of his debt. The accounts involved here. What are the accounts involved here? Bank. So our original bank account, you know that we have a capital, which is what? 2.1. The original bank account. Now, are we together? Now, we check from Sapon in full settlement. How much? 340,000. What do we debit and what do we credit in this case? Yes. Debit, bank, and credit Sapon. What is Sapon's account? What is Sapon's account? Is it a creditor? Sapon is a debtor. So this is Sapon's account. The 6th of May, we say bank. How much is it? 350. Sapon has cleared his account. Come again. The May 6. Yes, the rent account. The May 6. The corresponding entry is what? Rent. Hello. Are you okay? So rent account on the 6th of May, we have cash. How much? 180. Yeah. On the 6th, is it on the 6th? On the 9th, On the 9th. And then so Sapon's account with 340 and debit our bank in the name of what? Sapon on the 9th. Sapon. How much? 340. That on the 10th, we receive a check for 1 million from Tete. What are the accounts involved in this transaction? What are the accounts involved in this transaction? Come again. Bank account and debtors account. So let me tell you what to debit. So we say that is on the 10th, on the 10th of May. Bank. How much? 1 million. Remember, at the top, please. Then we come to a bank. With how much? 1 million. Are we- No, no, okay. Don't worry. Where are the babies? You are there. Yeah, and you'll be fine. Saying that on the 10th of May, hello, on the 10th of May, we receive a check from Tete. So to Tete to the tune of how much? 1.152 million. That was on the then on the 10th of May, Tete has 1 million out of the 1.152 million. What Tete is giving to us. Therefore, we credit Tete's account with the 1 million and debit our what? Debit our, where is our bank? Our bank. So we debit our bank with 1 million in the name of Tete. Hello. Yes. Yes. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Uh, is to account and the bank. So what they are saying here is this. You coming. So it's good for us. We'll just be here. And continue to solve it. Continue. Aja, what is it? Aya, let the rain fall. So let's go fast. Supply by check. And by check. Council here. Bank and what? So May 12th of May. In our bank account, please, let there be some silence, please. What are the supply we pay 3174. The same day we pay how much? 610. So this account, the supplier's account. You have opened the account already, so debit it so that we'll continue. You have opened the account already, so debit it so that we'll continue. Good. Then expenses in cash. Current expenses in cash. The accounts in this transaction. Accounts in this transaction. Current and cash. So this is cash account. The date is 15th. Carriage. How much is carriage? 38. So then we open carriage down. Carriage. So on the 15th, cash. How much? 38. Then the last three, purchase goods on credit. Purchase goods on credit. Next time, if you don't bring that stuff, I will beat you. Let's bring this side. Yes, I just do some credit from what? The following, JP. Already we have the fixed account. Already we have the fixed account. So what we do? We credit the fixed account with time one and debit fixed account. With how much? Perfect. We are not done. I want last one before the last question. Then what about Jan? Jan? We credit Jan with how much? 9 what? And then debit what? This with 940. Good. May 21st. May 21st. So goods with credit to Beidou. We debit what do we credit? We debit what? Thank you. We debit Beidou's account and credit what? Sales account. Then the last transaction. Rent by check. How much? How much? 280. What we announce is transaction. Rent and bank. What do we debit and what do we credit? So these are rent. We debit rent in the name of bank. How much? 220. So rent. What is the date? 31st. 31st May. Rent. How much? 230. Hello. We are done. So finish. The second requirement of the question says that you need to balance the accounts at the end of the month. What do we do by balancing the accounts at the end of the month? Do we do the balancing? Yes. Who can tell us? The accountants. Yes, accountants. So that we look at the difference. This one is what? 800. So this one is also 800. We'll add this and this, and then the difference, we say balance will carry down. So what is the difference? Eight, two. So we say the accounts that we have opened. Yes. We say all the accounts that we have opened. So rent account. We say 31st of May. That is carry down the total. Are we okay? So we do the accounts. At the end of the day, hello. Hey, are you with me or you are against me? In the plan, you will still have to balance the accounts. Then you carry the balances to where? To the trial balance. The trial balance must what? Yes. If at the end of the day you try and try and try and it doesn't balance, what do you do? Who can tell me? And you open a suspense account. So we are done. Then we can carry the balances. The account them off. All right. Now, last Go. Move on. No. Move on. Go. No, the next one. Next. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Hello. At this person. Go to the first and then no. Go back. No. Good. It's okay. Listen. It's that from the statements which give the cumulative effect of individual transactions, you are required to state as fully as possible what transaction has taken place in each case. What transaction has taken place in each case. There is no need to copy out the table. The first column of data gives the opening position. This one, the opening position. Each of the other columns represent a transaction. It is this transaction, that is A, from A to that you have to describe. Move on. Now look at this. Look at the first column. We have text. Then we have the transactions, A, B, C, D, one, E. Sorry, I. Now, listen carefully. Land and building, motor vehicle, office equipment, stock, debtors, bank, cash, and so on. Over here, the original amount for land and building is what?